Blizzard today marks the kickoff of the inaugural season of the Overwatch League, Blizzard's big push into esports with franchised, city-based teams that arrives with, of course, some manner of controversy. While we can talk about the risks of betting big on Overwatch as an esport another day, right now there's a storm brewing in the community that has to do with, you guessed it, microtransactions. Players are crying foul over a new slate of skins for sale in Overwatch that are meant to support the 12 teams in the OWL. Blizzard has concocted an entirely new currency, League tokens, for these skins, which are simple recolorings of the base model of a character with our logo here and there, where you have to buy them for $5 each instead of being able to earn them in the game in any way. Fans say that the mandatory price of $5 a skin is too much because an Overwatch squad of 6 is $30, the full price of the game on PC. A full collection of 26 skins for one team is $100, and to collect all the skins, buying in bulk with League token bundles, one of each for every team, on every character, is $1,200. Totally ridiculous, right? Sorry, but no. Look, I'm the guy who loves to yell about unfair microtransactions and loot boxes more than anyone, and yet I just can't seem to muster up any outrage over this specific instance, nor follow along with the arguments being made here that these skins are overpriced. Blizzard $5 for a skin seems fair to me. Keep in mind that the entire point of these items aren't to get some gorgeous new skin for your character, these are pretty basic recolors, but instead a way to support OWL and your favorite team. The idea behind this pricing is that if you like the OWL and say, your local team, the Houston Outlaws, you throw down $10.15 and pick up a couple skins for your most played champs. No loot boxes, no nothing, just a purchase to support the league and team, and some skins you can use if you feel like it. I don't think it's realistic to say that Blizzard should have priced these skins based on collectors who, for reasons that are frankly somewhat unhealthy, say that they must have all 312 recolors, one for every team, and that the game is gouging them with a $1,000 plus asking price to achieve that feat. I say this as someone who has been a collector of Overwatch skins. I have almost every single legendary skin in the game and have spent a few $100s and a few hundred hours of gameplay to get to that point, but you have to draw the line somewhere and realize that Blizzard does not have to cater to your extreme desires in a case like this. It's like going into a sports store and buying one of every single jersey you see. And don't give me the whole "these are just bits of code" run around. First of all, they're a fraction of the price of physical items, and secondly, if they're so worthless, then why is everyone lining up to spend billions on digital items across all manner of games every single year? If these items didn't have value to players, they wouldn't exist at all. $5 a skin is a relatively standard price when it comes to selling items like this in this context. And if it was $3, people would be complaining it wasn't $1, and if it was $1, people would be complaining it wasn't free since it's just a recolor in marketing for the league. This is a sports league trying to sell sports merchandise in a way only an expert can. At the $40 and $100 tiers of league tokens, you do start to get into discounts. As in, you can buy a full set of 26 skins for one team and save $30 over the asking price by buying in bulk. No, they haven't been perfect when it comes to loot boxes and drop rates and pricing in the past, but generally, Overwatch is generally a fair game when it comes to charging for stuff, and I don't think these new league skins are an exception. But these prices seem just fine to me and are nothing to get worked up over. Follow me on Twitter and on Facebook